Welcome to Hayfley, and today we're going to cover off free space. So what is free space? Well, free space is a soft close, sleek, minimalistic flat fitting. It's compact, yet it's extremely strong. This enables more storage space in a cabinet thanks to its clever German engineering. It's just a minimum depth of 63mm is required in a cabinet, meaning it's ideal for a multitude of applications. It's super quick and easy to install, and it's easy to carry out those final adjustments. This is why it's our multi-award-winning flat fitting, and it's all covered by our Hayfley 25-year warranty. Free space and the installation. This is super simple. So what we've got here is we've got two of our free space fittings. We've also got a drilling jig. Now this complements our range, but it doesn't have to be used. We will require a 5mm drill bit. You'll also require a 63mm depth cabinet. And if you look here, we've pre-installed it. So the measurement from the carcass down to the first drilling is 102mm, the second one is 32mm and 32mm again. And they are all at 37mm from the face edge of your carcass. And remember, as long as you've got your 63mm depth or deeper, this is fine. Or we can use our drilling jig. Now our drilling jig is super simple to use. You place it here, your preset dowels are loaded to sit on your carcass face edge, and off you go and put your drill bits in. Now once we've done that, this is where the free space is simple. We have two captive dowels already loaded, and if you look underneath the cover cap, you can see we have a pre-inserted screw. So all we're going to do is come along and make sure that we place these in line where we need to. Once we've placed them into position, you're simply going to fit your screw through. And that is as easy as installing a free space hinge. We're now good to go. This is one of our free space installed. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. So now we've fitted both of our free space flaps. What we now need to do is concentrate on our fascia. So once we've got our door, what we're going to do is look at how we install our fascia clips. Now these are really simple. They're just going to require preset 5mm drill holes. To find out where these drill holes sit, like so, you need to refer to the installation guide provided. And this is because everyone's carcass thickness is different and it could be on different size fascias. Very easy to follow. Once we've done that, all we're going to do is screw our fittings in. So now with our toolless application, we can just place these in situ. So to do this, we're going to make sure these lugs here on the bottom line up with these lugs on here. So to do so, we're just going to place them into situ. Once they're on, like so, we're then just going to push. That's us now engaged. Nice and simple. To remove, all we're going to do is pull these tabs here. So you can see there's a bit of flex in both of these. If I pull either one, the door will disengage. Again, application on, lugs in position, like so. The door's now set in where you need. For any finer adjustments, what we need to do is open the door up, and there's 3 points of adjustment on these. You've got this one here, which is going to allow your weight tolerances, your springs moving up and down here, to hold it so you can have multi-stop positions. You've then got other adjustments here, and adjustments in here, and fascia alignment here. So we've now installed the free space, but what we're looking at doing is some of the finer adjustments. If you need to make any amends or any alignments, it's really easy to do so. So there's 4 basic things we want to cover off. The first being is the stop position. So you can either have it at 90 degrees or you can open it up to 107 degrees, and these are all preset in every hinge. So to do so, to make those amends, take it from the 90 degrees or the 107, just pull it down a tiny bit, and that will give us room to move this cam. And you can see in here, we've got a funny shaped cam. If I just push this pin up here, you can see it's now gone over. All that's going to do now is let us operate from the 90 degrees that it was up to 107. So very, very simple. So now we're looking at trying to adjust our door fascia, and we want to get our door fascia to move up and down. So this is done on the back of the hinge. So if we show you here, you can see you have oscillated cams. Now these oscillated cams are ever so easy to remove, and you can see they're giving us change in direction in the door. So the door's moving up and down. So what I'm going to do here is move it that tiny bit, and you can see we've now got a parallel line. Now we're going to cover off left to right. So how do we move this fascia left to right? Again, very simple, easy amendment. If you open up your hinges and you look inside here, you'll see located a tiny little black screw up there. Now this is going to adjust our door left to right. As you can see, we've now halved and halved the gap. These move in 2mm increments. So the other thing that free space has is a weightless feel. And what does that mean? Well, we call it a multi-stop function. It means that you should be able to open the door and let go of it in any stop position. Now, if you're finding that your door's doing this, it's because the weights aren't set correctly. And these are really easy to amend. These are on here. And you can see, just by doing this, we should be able to now adjust our weight tolerances so our door can be left wherever the user so wishes. And it still operates perfectly.